Welcome to Draw Tickle. Join us for fun and simple drawing videos that spark creativity and joy. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Let's start drawing together. As we draw the lion together, let me share a story about courage, self-belief, and discovering your inner strength. Once in a dense jungle, a young lion named Arion lived in constant self-doubt. While others roared confidently, Arion felt he lacked the courage to rise as the leader he was born to be. One day, wandering alone, he stumbled upon an old lion drawing etched into a rock. Its manner was bold, its eyes fierce, and its presence radiated strength. Beneath the drawing were the words, "Greatness lies in every lion, but only those who believe can awaken it." Arion stared at the drawing, mesmerized, and something deep within him stirred, a quiet voice urging him to see himself differently. From that day on, Arion returned to the rock, using the lion in the drawing as a symbol of what he could become. Inspired, he practiced roaring, faced his fears, and embraced the challenges of the jungle. Slowly but surely, he grew stronger, braver, and more determined. Years later, Arion stood tall as a leader of the jungle, realizing the lion etched in the stone wasn't just an image. It was a reflection of his own untapped greatness. So, as you draw your lion today, remember that you're not just creating art,